Very happy to be back in Bangalore because I am very much from this beautiful city. A localite, but living in Delhi for the last decade or so. So most of my skills, if you want to call that, in HR have been learned in this beautiful city of Bangalore. Very happy to be with all the HR fraternity of the Bangalore city. I'm sure there are people from other parts of the country as well. And as he said, topic of the day, Achar Ke Vichar on managing talent for results, which is a serious game for business manager, and it really works. And I'm here to prove to you that it really works, but has to be played in a very methodical and calm fashion. Seriously, I mean, don't laugh at what I'm saying, and have fun as well en route. All right, once again, good evening. I don't know what we should call ourselves. I have heard a lot of definitions for HR people in the past, one of them being HR, human remains, the other being hatred and retribution, and up north we're also called Hadkao, Ragadao, Dhamkao, or employees say, Hamara rehna difficult. So there are a number of alternatives that you want to choose from, but HR has been a passion as far as I'm concerned. I'm sure all of the people sitting in this room, passion is HR, therefore you're here. All right, moving on. We talk about talent. Everybody has talent. Each one of us has talent. But what is it that is the catch there? Is it just human capital? Is it just that some employees have more talent than the others? And is this focus called talent management? Is it just another trendy term as far as HR is concerned? Of late, I've seen a lot of people being designated as talent management heads. End of the day, you are dealing with people, whether you call them talent, whether you call them resources, whether you call them personnel, whether you call them staff. So I'm here to present my perspective this evening, and hopefully it will be interesting for all of you. Now, if I remember right, the term talent management was coined by, first conceived by McKinsey article in Harvard Business Review in the year 2001, not very long ago. And since then it has become the talk of the management community across the world. Talent managers describe talent management as an exclusive activity focused on the organization's leadership and their successors. To me, it's not restricted just to leadership, but it is leadership above a particular level, because every person in the organization is a leader in his own right. Let me pose a question to this group at this point in time. Can talent be perceived at first glance? Any responses? Yes, no, maybe? Yep, my view, no. We should continuously observe to discover the talent and then try to put them in the right position at the right time. I mean, this right position, right time, right person, all that is fine, but in practicality, it takes a long time to fit that square peg into the round hole, or make the square peg round over a period of time. So you will never get a straight fit ever. So ladies and gentlemen, what do you think is the goal of talent management? In my view, it's aimed at creating committed employees to help them achieve higher levels of job performances. Put very simply, everybody wants more performance. I just got out of a meeting yesterday which lasted the whole day. At the end of the day, they said we want the best people at the lowest cost who will continue to stay on in the organization without asking for anything else. That is what talent management has come to be as far as our business managers are concerned. How do we make these business managers do what we are doing? That is the biggest challenge that as HR managers we're going to be facing. When something goes right, humne kiya, now madiddu. When something goes wrong, yella nin tappu, it's all your mistake. So we're constantly sandwiched between the guys down and the guys up. We don't know whether to look up, look down. End of the day, there is a lot of churn in the HR fraternity as well. But going from one company to another will not solve our problem. We're going to face the same problem elsewhere.